My money is covered in doggy hair. Okay, so today we are reviewing the EAWE Money Gun Paper Playing Money Sperry Money Gun Make It Rain Money Gun Drop Red.
What?
Yeah, that's what it's called. Right there, the good old Amazon. Amazon says that this is a great addition to weddings, any bachelorette parties, team builders, birthday parties, nightclubs, etc. It is every adult male's fantasy, making it rain without touching a bill. Is that accurate?
Well, it's for cleanliness.
Introduce your children to the importance of money while also teaching them valuable math skills with Juvenile Play Money for Kids.
No, that's not a thing.
That's what it says. So when I scroll down, there's reviews that seem to be from adults talking about the time they brought this to a party or a club, which is weird. There's also reviews from parents saying they didn't think it was appropriate for their child because, not because it's a money gun, which seems like a red flag to me, but because the money that comes with the super money gun says on it, you pay me. It says that on the bill.
But then, wait, then it said it was good for children to learn how to count money.
Yes. And all the money that it comes with are $1,000 bills. So I don't see how this would be good for kids to learn because they're all the same. So we got our box. I already opened it. I got too excited. I couldn't wait. But on the box, it just shows some of the examples of different scenarios in which it can be used. So over here we got money rain on a party and money rain at home. And the at home shows some kids really enjoying that money falling from the sky. Kids just love when money falls from the sky, I guess. I guess it's like a piñata, like when the candy falls, the kids love it. I guess it's like that?
Yeah, but then I can only see like the children picking this up and going, like a little girl going, Daddy, what does this mean?
On the other side, we have money rain at annual meeting and money rain on bar. And please note, on the on bar photo, they seem to be sitting on a couch and they have a bowl of popcorn, which is something I've never experienced at a bar, but it sounds kind of nice. Sounds cozy. I might go to more bars if that was an option. And inside of it, we have our money gun, or super gun, rather. Sorry, spoke too soon. It's called a super gun. It kind of reminds me of like a price gun at like Target or like the supermarket, you know, where you go beep, beep, beep. I don't know if they were going for a certain look with this one. So how to play. So we're gonna open the cover, put the money in the super money gun, press the switch, out of money from a gun. That's what it says, and that's what we'll do. So I already put in the batteries, which is inconveniently located behind this little thing, which doesn't like to, I'm not being dramatic. It's, oh, there we go. It's actually hard to open it.
Whoa, you slide it out?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool though.
Yeah, I was looking, I thought it would have like a little, like a...
Is there a safety in the back? What's that little notch in the back there?
It's a pretend safety.
Wow.
I think it's for ergonomic grip. Makes it a little bit more comfortable. It also has this little
that's a lanyard loop.
A lanyard loop. So I guess you could
put a lanyard to the loop.
To decorate it, or
no, so it'll attach to you, right? So if someone tries to steal your money gun, it doesn't go anywhere.
People are always trying to steal my money gun.
Yeah.
Now I know. So to load the gun, all it says, as I showed you, it said open the cover. So the cover has a little, what looks like, what is this called? Like a sight. Like it's got a little sight on it, which I think is just meant to be the handle.
You could call that a front sight, but then doesn't it go down like that when the money goes down?
Yeah.
So then now you don't have a sight?
Now I don't have a sight, but I can still line it up and imagine, because there's a little notch here.
Is that how people shoot normal guns? They just imagine where the bullet's gonna go?
That's what I do. That's why I close my eyes when I shoot. That's what I did on that one. So we're gonna pull this up, but as you can see, it doesn't really wanna open.
Can you go, actually?
It can, you gotta give a little muscle, so.
Oh, there. Pretty neat.
You can see there's little lips. Little lips. Like the little lips on my dog. Hello, little dog. So, we'll first use the money it came with. So the pay me money, also known as Supreme, super money. So here's one side, Supreme, and then the other side, super money. You pay me. So we're gonna put it in the gun. I've already tried it out, so the money's covered in dog hair, as is everything. Everything the light touches is covered in dog hair. Let's try this. So we're gonna load our money in. You can see there's a little thing right here. That's the part that's gonna spin. So let's pull the trigger.
Wow, really that fast?
Yeah. This isn't a gentle money rain. This is a super money rain. So let's put it in, kind of pack it in. It says to try and not put crinkly money or folded money.
Yeah.
So I guess you gotta go straight to the bank and get your bills, because
right.
it's just not practical. Okay. So let's close it up. Didn't close. Nope. There we go. All right, so we got it in.
What is this hole here in front? What are you? I can see a laser coming out of there. That'd be kind of neat.
Yeah, it's a hole for questions, and not a hole for answers.
I see. I see what you did there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, simple operation here. Trigger.
Are you kidding? Oh my god, that's amazing.
One even landed on top of the camera. Well, the dog is upset.
Dog is pissed.
So let's pick up the money and let's do that again, because that was pretty fun. So this is good for like a good, how long was that? 5 seconds of excitement?
Really amazing. But
so
then it scares me. That's a lot of ones or hundreds, whatever you're going to actually use.
It holds up to 100 bills. So 100 ones or 100 hundreds.
Yeah, that's...
If you want to have a little fun.
100 hundreds is $10,000.
In 3 seconds. I mean, personally, I feel like the traditional make it rain with the... feels a little bit more satisfying to me, but I'm not a gun fan, so maybe if I was really into shooting guns, this would really get my hot button going. The interesting thing is that I fail to see how a kid would learn from using this. Do you have any theories on that? How a child might benefit?
Absolutely. This is an ideal tool, and really just a great piece of equipment all around to teach children ideally how to interact with ladies of the night. And women who do work at bars where there is less clothing involved.
Women love to have paper shot at them at high speeds.
Yeah.
Fact.
Fact number one.
Let's keep picking up these bills, because that's what your kids are going to be doing when you buy them this toy.
Singing dollar bill, yo. Did I move the camera? Dollar bill, yo.
No, it looks fine. My money is covered in doggy hair.
This is good. This is going to be an expensive one.
We're gonna make a lot of money rain. Money rain.
7, 8, 9. $950. Can I buy a gun?
I'll take that. And have a good day, sir.
Honey, can I buy a gun? A new gun?
Aiden gave me all his money and all of my savings.
Yeah, all of it, yeah.
This is all my money. He doesn't have a daily money.
Daily money.
Okay, so we got our monies.
That sounds very interesting, my daily money.
Let's make it rain on the camera. Okay. So I'm going to try and make it so, as you can see, real money.
Ooh, boy.
Shape. So let's see if it can figure it out. Because this is meant for real money, I assume. Oh, the one part, hold on. This from Amazon says it comes with fake money for practice fire or for those months where you're a little tight on cash.
What?
Yeah, so.
Practice fire?
For practicing how you're gonna fire it, but also if you don't have any money, you can just take the fake money and go to the club.
And be like, sorry it's not real, but here you go.
And they're like, thank you, never come back again.
Bye.
May I have gun? So I'm gonna do big bills first, because I live dangerously.
I can't lose this money.
I know. I did it last night and I was like, I should have counted it before I started.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got money literally coming out the front end. This is so strange.
Alright. Pack her in.
Pack her in?
Aiden is very amused. And let's let her launch.
I love the little spin at the end of the last couple bills.
So that was over $1,000.
Wow.
And I feel really empty inside.
This was a full-size bottle.
Side note, my derby team gave out these bottles last year.
Yeah, it was last year.
It says not to put it in the dishwasher, and I was like, don't tell me how to live. So I did, and you know what?
Oh my god.
I should have listened.
So good.
Because I made it rain on the dog. Cut to footage. Hey doggo, ready?
I don't know if I want to do it. I don't want to pick up the mess.
I made it rain on the floor.
I'm going to try to aim it at you.
I made it rain on the camera, and did you guys like that? Now it's time.
Make it rain on you.
For the rain to follow me. I feel like all the money's gonna go behind, and it's gonna be annoying.
I'm gonna really try to aim this.
Will you aim it up so it's like
is that what you want?
Yeah,
okay.
like a beautiful rainfall. You know, it's not like I want it to be gorgeous.
Okay,
like I want to feel like I'm in a waterfall of cash. So we put it in. Also, oh, it's coming out. All right.
Do you need like protective glasses so you don't get a paper cut in your
expensive
eyeballs?
May I have my eyes? I don't think I need my ears today because the noise is not too loud.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Oh, it's like in chunks. Oh.
Wasn't that great?
No.
Do I do it again?
Sure.
Okay.
Oh, you. Take two.
Thoughts?
Still not pleasant? So what did we learn today? I would not recommend bringing this to a club, especially with these fake bills.
Around children.
I personally wouldn't give this to a child.
Yeah.
There was a review I read that said the father went through and blacked out all the F words off of every single bill. It could maybe be fun for 5 seconds, and then you just have a mess. Great for distributing money, which is not something I do, but flyers, coupons, and even business cards. So if you want to piss off a lot of people by throwing cards in their face, this might be it. So I was thinking about this product and like, when would this actually, like, who would actually buy this other than the weirdos on Amazon, including me?
I was gonna say, who are the weirdos?
But I feel like this would be good for a music video. Because you wouldn't hear it.
It would be off camera.
It would be off camera.
Yeah, going different directions or whatever.
But
Interesting.
you wouldn't need many, because it lasts seconds.
Well, yeah. What you would do is you would just leave the top open and just kind of hold a pile above it. You know, just let that go.
So that's an option. So if you're shooting a music video and you want to make it rain, comment down below if you have any use for this. And what that use would be. I need to make sure it's okay. So, we tried fake money. We tried real money. Let's try business cards. So, it's not going to work like that. They're too small. Aiden, are you ready?
I am not.
Let me rev my motor in anticipation. Oh. That's actually better, I think, because it's heavier. Oh, and it's done. I want to do more. Oh, it wasn't done. It lied to me. Let's do more. Can we leave the lid open? Oh, it doesn't work if the lid's open.
Really?
How does it know? Oh, no, it does. I rang the dog bell. Alright, lid open, shooting at the camera. What? I like the business cards. And now I have to pick them up. Feels sad for me. So this might actually be cool for like marketing or like at a concert. You can shoot out like stickers. What do kids like? Stickers?
Yeah.
Stickers, business cards. I actually like it better for that. But to shoot out real money? No. No. Not gonna happen. Hated it. Did not work. So unsatisfying. But business cards are actually really fun to shoot. So that's my suggestion. What are you gonna do? So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I am having a lot of fun doing this, and comment below if there's anything in particular that you want to see me look into. Maybe discover a new type of toy or gun or something like that. Also, if you have any requests for Aiden of maybe something that he can take down or show you how to do or something like that, just let us know. We're happy to do it. So, thanks so much for watching, you guys. See ya.